Hello, people. This is the fairy type tier list, and I have a friend this time. So, say hello, friend. That's not a thing you should say on your first appearance on my channel. I'm gonna, I'm gonna link her channel down below in case you wanna subscribe to her one singular YouTube short. Okay, don't eat tires. Snort gasoline instead. Sniff gasoline instead. Okay, so so the tiers are perfect. These Pokemon are perfect, the best of the best. Then there's Yippee. These Pokemon are not the best, but they're still very nice Pokemon. Then we have okay. These Pokemon are okay, not the best, not the worst, but I like their presence. These Pokemon are meh. Do they bring me joy? No. Are they horrendous? No. The next category, the final category is Ew, please leave. These Pokemon are so horrendous, breathing the same air as them makes me upset. Then, our the secret final tier is bonus alchemies, because this is goofy. Like, what is this? Like, the person who made this went above and beyond respect, but also kind of not. Okay. Okay, Cleffa. I mean, um, I think I'm gonna just put the whole line there. Like they're kind of all just like the same, but with a little extra spikes. Okay, Alolan Alolan Ninetales is Gorge. Alolan Ninetales, yeah, very lovely. I'm gonna say Yippee on that one. Fair, honestly. Um, then we got Igglybuff. I would recommend not. I okay, we'll demote it to Yippee then. Okay, um, Jigglypuff is Pokemon Ariana Grande. That means it's perfect. Um, ugh, I have plans to watch her episode of Hot Ones after this. Okay. That's just kind of like they're interchangeable. Like Galarian Rapidash. It's giving. It's kind of giving. Okay, I'll give it meh. I love Galarian Weezing. How is it a fairy type though? Put it in Yippee. um, Mime Junior. Okay. Also Ash's dad. Um, Sylveon. Sylveon. Um. Oh crud. Shoot. Presentation mode. Come back. Okay. Okay. We'll put it in Yippee then. kind of cute. Togepi. Yeah. um, I hate Togetic. And this is Togekiss, which what is how does it go from this to this to this? What is this? I guess I'll put it in okay. I also hate Azurill. Hate that guy. Like, oh, where did your nose go? Okay, we'll put it in meh. Um, fair. Meryl. Put it in okay. uh, we'll put a Azumarill in the same spot. Um, sure, we'll put them in. Okay, Yippee, because that one's cute. This one's just kind of a nuisance. Am I wrong? Question: was I supposed to do something so that your audio would capture on the stream? Okay, I'm a. Whoops, well figured. Okay, I hope it doesn't sound like I'm talking to no one. Like, I'm not. Um, Ralts. I guess okay. Fair. Uh, Curlia is just kind of girl. Um, um, Gardevoir. I'm so scared because, like, I honestly kind of like her Mega Evolution, but, like, I'm so scared of the people who actually like her for the wrong reasons. Um, we're gonna put her in meh because I'm terrified. Because, like, I actually like her if it wasn't for the abominations out there. Um, Me Meryl, no, Meryl? Mawile. Okay, Mawile shall be perfect. The Mega's okay. A little less, but still pretty, yeah. Mega Altaria is perfect. It is a bird fluff. This, we just got Arceus, but pink. Perfect. I'll put it in Yippee since I like regular Arceus. Um, Mega Audino. Honestly, very cute. Cottony. I mean, it's kind of like a cotton ball. They're just both kind of cotton balls. This is ill, please leave. Okay, Whimsicott shall be a Yippee then. These two are the worst. It is just a little thing. Can I like? Yeah. No, but like, hold up, hold up, hold up. If I can zoom. Look at that. Tell me that's not the most hideous thing you've ever seen. Above. How dare you say that to Ralts? I know. Okay. God. Um, hold up. Okay, I feel like we've went a little too overboard. Just gonna stick with rating the red one. Flabebe. Did it? I That's like the only season of the anime I didn't watch. I have to watch that. Did watch the Diancie movie. That went hard. Um, since they potentially started a war, I shall put them in okay. Actually, yippee. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Um, what? Uh, Spritzy, Spritzy's uh, kind of uh, okay. I'll do okay. This girl is like the Pokemon equivalent of a RuPaul's Drag Race contestant, so I'm gonna put it in meh, because I also just think she's kind of ugly. Um, Swirlix and Slurpuff, though, those are cute little organisms. Dedede is very lovely. How dare you? It's kind of my tier list, so you don't have much of an opinion here. You do have some, but like, it's mine. Okay, Carbink is a rock with ears. Sure, let's go. Klefkeys. Klefki. Why do you despise the keys? Why are you blue? Okay, that's not a different. This is straight up like this is it. Like this tier is just pointing out how divergent this tier list is. Haha, I caused you suffering. Haha. Okay, Xerneas is yippee. What? It's not. Diancie, I'm a little I'm a little scared that this could be like an underground Gardevoir that no one knows about. Um, good. I sure hope not. I'll put her in Yippee. And the Mega is also Yippee. Primarina. Oh my god. Okay, that was a lot of words at once. Okay, okay, let's put her in Yippee. Cutie Fly is a very lovely bug. I hate Ribombi. True. Morlul is kind of shrooms. Like this truth. Um, this is just kind of a lay if one of the flowers was alive. Which what is with all the object Pokemon recently? Like what? We have keys. We have that. We have rocks. Like let's go. Okay. Milk. One singular milk. Um, Mimic, Mimikyu. I think Mimikyu is yippee. The version where it has scoliosis, I think is perfect. I love how they gave it scoliosis. Honestly, kind of me. Savali, but a little pink. Okay. God, it's all these Alcreevies that are just breaking it. Tapu Koko. I put her over here in the electric type one. Yeah, I think that still works. Maybe I put her there. I don't know. Tapu Lele. Honestly, kind of girly pop. Yeah, I vibe with that. Tapu Bulu is the best one, and she's just kind of here. Tapu Fini is just kind of here. Um, uh, Magir, what? And Magirna. y- The storyline with her and Lily went hard. Yeah, I'm gonna go Yippee. Hatterene. I guess I'll just put her in okay. Her Gigantamax form is ew, please leave, because it's Gigantamax. Like, what do you want me to tell you? I'm just gonna do that right now. Um, Impidimp. He's just kind of guy, honestly. So is Morgrim. Morgrim, you would feel like would be saying, "Cut my life into pieces." um, Grimmsnarl, I think is Yippee. Yeah, the drop of milk with arms. Okay. Okay, alchemy is just a little thing. Meh. Actually, let's put in Yippee. So, got any fun plans for um time? 94? Is that even in the would that even be in there? I think next after this is fighting? I don't know, I'll have to look it up. I'm doing it in alphabetical order. Why? Okay, it's just like missing no with scoliosis. It's like two Pokemon. Uh, I mean, I could do that. Like October 29th. Okay, that's a really long. Okay, that took a long time. Gigantamax Alchemy. It's just a cake. Okay, Zama's. No, that's Zacian. Zacian. Forgot it was a fairy type. The the sword form is, yeah. I'm gonna put that in okay, because I actually like that one. Fido. It's a dog made of dough. Okay. Dachshund is the best. Like, I think Dachshund might be the best dog Pokemon to ever exist. Feel free to fight me, but nah, Tinkatink. That's okay. It's just kind of an infant. Tink, fine, meh. Tinkatuff is okay. Then Tinkatun is, ew, please leave. Because the thing it does to Corviknights, it goes around beating up Corviknights with its hammer, peeling the metal off of them, and attaching it to their hammer. And I love Corviknight, so I cannot let this stand. Okay, then I'll beat you, rip your skin off, and put it on my hammer. What? Well, Tinkatons aren't sentient either. Go figure. Screamtail. I'm putting you at the end because I don't know what your name is. Screamtail. She's kind of Jigglypuff with a cracked hairdo. Um, so. Okay, I guess we're just gonna put them together since they're so similar. Fluttermane is, I guess, okay. It's kind of just mischievous with a little more flaps. Iron Valiant is like a breed of Gardevoir and Gallade, which I honestly kind of love. That's going in Yippee. We're just gonna look this girl up real quick. We're just gonna take a little time out of my day to just figure out what the French toast that is. Actually, I think it'd be a little faster if I just Pheasantipity? I would have never in a. I love that name. Honestly, you're going in perfect. Like, that's kind of amazing. And that concludes the fairy type tier list. Okay, I don't think we needed that opinion from you. Um, no, it's just whipped cream. It's not ice cream. It's whipped cream. Yeah. Honestly, fair. Like, English is hard times sums. I also, I, I also had English. That is the fairy type tier list. Subscribe to me and or Katie if you feel the urge. Uh, No, please. Please, no, that's not fair. Okay, if you're working on a project, I hope that project goes like really well. I hope you have Why are you like this? Uh, I hope you have a good every other part of your day, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Adios.